Domestic air travel resumed in Assam on Monday along with several other states as the first flight arrived at the Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport from Delhi in the morning, an official said. 8 flights from Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai and Imphal brought in about 500 passengers to Guwahati, while about 350 passengers flew out on Monday as domestic air service resumed. The first flight to Guwahati landed from Delhi on Monday morning carrying 77 passengers who were immediately taken for screening and for collections of swabs at a hotel near the airport. Following the Assam government SOP, all the asymptomatic air travellers who had arrived are being sent to screening and institutional quarantine centres in the respective district by government buses from the LGB International Airport. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma visited the airport and the hotel to oversee the entire operation and said the health department in association with other departments concerned were fully capable of handling the rush.
We have made detailed arrangement. People will be screened in Guwahati airport between Northeast and Assam. People from Assam will be further segregated between Guwahati and the rest of the district. We have transport vehicle in place. The people from the rest of the district will be taken straight away to their district headquarters for screening, testing and further actions like quarantine. People from Guwahati will be taken to screening center. So they will be screened, their swab will be taken. Exempted category will go to home quarantine and non-exempted category will come for institutional quarantine.
He said 32 flights were permitted to operate to Assam, of which only 8 were operational on Monday, and the number is likely to increase in the next few days. The minister said the state was going to face tough times in the next 10 days with the inflow of thousands of people.
We were expecting 32 flights, but 8 flights are coming. Although some flights are not coming with full capacity, but few flights like Bangalore are coming in full strength. This kind of inflow, these spikes are expected. These are not surprising figures, because when 60,000 people comes inside your state, then 300 more cases is just 0.5%. So I think these are expected number. So we are ready for it and we have to face it.
Though Assam has 6 operational airports, only Guwahati had started functioning, while 4 more will operate from 28 May once commercial flight from West Bengal commence. Assam had imposed mandatory institutional quarantine for all air passengers with some exceptions and have been putting them up at different hotels across the state.
From 28, Calcutta airport will start operating. The number of flights will increase. Trains will also start. I think next week will be challenging. So far as the northeastern states are concerned, we have created separate space. Various bhavans, our residence commissioner of different northeastern states will take custody of their people. They may take them to their own bhavans, or they can take them to their own states.
While Sarma said around 8,000 persons were stuck at the moment in trains in different states due to Cyclone Amphan, and they will arrive in the next few days. We have set up around 70 quarantine centers in Guwahati for the people from the city. People from other places will be taken to their home district for quarantine there, he added. On the people coming from other states, the minister appealed to all to arrive before 10 June so that the state missionary can concentrate on flood management and other works from July onwards. The AAI official said that the Directorate General of Civil Aviation has not cleared flights operations for Jorhat, while 4 more airports at Dibrugarh, Silchar, Tezpur and Lalabari will start functioning from May 28 once West Bengal allows air traffic.
All the passengers are coming by maintaining social distances. They are being guided by our airport officials, and further after screening by APHO's team, they are taking their luggage from the conveyor belt. And all SOPs like social distance marking, web check-in, Arogya Setu and all kinds of gadgets which were supposed to be in place as per the MOCA guidelines, it is already working functionally in a very smooth manner, phased manner, and all SOPs and all officers are very much intact and strictly following the guidelines.
Domestic air travel resumed on Monday after 2 months. According to aviation industry sources, around 630 domestic flights on Monday were cancelled due to the centre's Sunday night announcement that there would be no flights in West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh and limited operations at major airports such as Mumbai, Chennai and Hyderabad. Bureau Report.